Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the defrost timer on a Frigidaire freezer. The defrost timer regulates the intervals at which the defrost cycle occurs in your freezer so that it works correctly and prevents excessive frost buildup on the evaporator. Most timers will go into a defrost cycle every 6 or 8 or 10 hours. You might need to change out this part if it fails testing. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with our latest guides and find more resources to help you make repairs. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we need today is a flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. And please remember to keep safety first. Normally we would unplug the freezer, but we'll need the power on for our testing today. Anytime I run across a freezer or a refrigerator that's not running and it has a mechanical defrost timer, that's going to be my first check. And when I say it's not running, I mean that no sounds are coming from the appliance, no fan motors, compressor, or condenser fan motor, if it has one. The light may be on, but that would be all. If the freezer isn't running, the inside is usually warm and food is thawing out. The defrost timer is the easiest part to check, and believe me, I love easy. So let's do this. Find the defrost timer, which on most upright freezers, including this model, is usually located in the back machine compartment and mounted to the metal frame. You're going to use the flathead screwdriver to slowly turn the dial clockwise. If the compressor and fans come on, this means the timer was stuck in a defrost cycle and never advanced. If that's the case, then turning it is all you have to do for now until you can get a new timer. No more testing needed. But if the freezer won't come on even after you turn the dial all the way around, we'll need to keep troubleshooting. You can see here that the defrost timer on this model is bad. If your freezer has the same problem, let's replace the timer together. Pull the freezer out far enough to get behind it and find the defrost timer. There are usually a couple of 1/4-inch screws that hold it to the bottom panel, so you'll need to remove the screws and then remove the plug. Here's the old defrost timer and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to reconnect the plug to the new timer and align the screw holes with the metal bracket holes. Then replace the screws. You're going to want to plug the freezer back in or turn the breaker back on to see if it comes on. Sometimes the timer is in a defrost position and the dial on the timer will need to be manually advanced. To do this, just turn the dial slowly clockwise with a flathead screwdriver until the fans and compressor come on. That's it. Hey, that wasn't so bad, was it? Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new defrost timer yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support and I'll see you on the flip side.